What's up everyone? Welcome to the Stangkilr Production YouTube channel. We are going to be putting a JB4 tuner on the BMW M4 that I purchased a few weeks ago. But today I got all of our new Streetcar Takeover shirts for 2018 and I'm so freaking excited about it. I want you guys to see them and let me know what you think. First shirt I'm going to show you guys is our camo shirt. That's what I call it. It's got this on the back, which turned out really good. It's like a gray color. And these are next level material shirts. Really nice shirts. So that's our first one. This is our next shirt. It's black shirt. It's got gray print on it. Also got the logos on the sleeves, Twin Peaks and Nitto, our title sponsor. And then the back, race it, break it, fix it, repeat. It is a kind of a, you know, a shirt that you've probably seen before, but it's got our Streetcar Takeover logos on it. It's branded. The colors are awesome. I love that blue mixed with the gray and the black. It just has a really nice look to it. So that's our second shirt. Next shirt is our actual event shirt. So it's got Streetcar Takeover 2018. It's got the Nitto and Twin Peaks logos for our presented sponsors. And then it's got just a beautiful, look at that, C7 Corvette on it doing a burnout. Got the smoke in the background. And then the back of it, it's just got, you know, our logo, presented sponsors, and it's got all of our other national sponsors for the year, which as you can see, we got some awesome companies on there. And then it's got all of our cities listed out that we're going to go to, and it's pretty much in that order too, as far as when they're going to happen. So it sucks. This year we've already had to reschedule Dallas and then our kickoff party, which our kickoff party is this Sunday at Ameristar, and I don't think we'll be rescheduling it this time because the weather looks absolutely perfect. It's supposed to be 75 and sunny, no chances of rain. It is going to be perfect. I think we'll have a record turnout for attendance. Last year we had about 3,000 cars, 10,000 people. I expect more than that this year. It's probably the first nice weekend in Kansas City that we've had all year, so everyone is going to be out. Everyone's itching to get their cars out, show them off. We rescheduled Dallas to May 11th and 12th. Last weekend, Friday would have been okay, but Saturday when we actually have our event, it was raining off and on all day long with thunderstorms and everything in the Dallas area, so that wouldn't have worked out. So we rescheduled Dallas to May 11th and 12th. Hopefully the weather is good for it on that date and we can do some racing in Dallas. But let me know what you think about the shirts. They turned out really well, I think. We are going to also have hats. We'll have these for sale at all of the events this year. We'll probably actually add some more designs, change things up about halfway through the season like we always do. And then we'll have them on our website, streetcar-takeover.com, probably in the next few weeks. If you like the shirts, pick one up this weekend at Ameristar Casino in Kansas City for our Streetcar Takeover kickoff car show. And then we'll also be in Dallas and Oklahoma City in the next few weeks, so you can also pick one up at those events if you do attend. If not, hop on our website, like I said, and get one ordered. We'll have them up on the website here in about a week or two. So speaking of the M4, we did have some goodies come in. We got a splitter for the BMW. And the splitter is actually really cool. It's a BMW splitter, and it comes with these awesome carbon fiber spats that go on the front. That's real carbon fiber, by the way. Not none of that fake hydro dip stuff. Here in just a second, you are going to see the JB4 install on the M4. I actually did this about 2 weeks ago. And we're just now getting to the point where we're uploading the video for it, so I hope you all enjoy. The JB4 finally came in for the BMW M4 that we purchased the other day. Been looking forward to getting this on. I heard it makes a really big difference, and it does not take that long to install at all. This is basically what you get. It's just basically a plug-and-play system. It's got a nice billet anodized black box to protect the circuit board for the JB4, and then it's got a connector here. This plugs right into your OBD2 port inside your car. Alright, we are not going to be doing a how-to video to install this because there's already plenty of them on YouTube. We're just going to do a quick time lapse and show you how quick and easy it is just to do it. Then after that, we're gonna fire up the car. I've already put a full tank of E30 in there. These cars, it seems to be like you can drive them with E30 without having a flex fuel sensor in there. I don't recommend like really romping on them with E30 and no flex fuel, but it was okay to fill up at the E85 station about 20 miles away from my house, put E30 in it on almost an empty tank. So it's already got ethanol in the car, so we're gonna get all this stuff hooked up and then go out for a drive and see if it makes a lot of difference in power. We got the JB4 installed. It was a much more pain in the ass job than it was on the 235. So, but it's in, we got it, it's good. So we're gonna go out and drive it right now and see how good it runs. All right, so everything's good. We started up the car. I went ahead and put it in map 7, which that's the high octane map. We already have ethanol in the car. So should run pretty good on this map 7. Watched a couple dyno videos of basically the same thing that's done to this. Right now I'm making over 500 to the rear wheels on a dyno jet, so should be quite a bit of a difference in my opinion. So we'll see what happens here as soon as we get out on a nice stretch of road. Alright, we're doing about 30. Oh yeah, it's it's a lot peppier. I can just feel that just right hitting it there in second gear. It's pretty amazing that you can just plug those tuners in. You don't have to flash anything or nothing. They literally just plug and play. I will say that the JB4 install in this car was a lot more difficult than the JB4 install in the 235, but all in all, it still took under an hour to do it, and it's amazing the performance that you get for an $800 mod. I don't think you can match it, honestly. Oh yeah, runs a lot better now. Before it would kind of die off a little bit. Now it pulls all the way through. You can really feel the turbos kicking in through the RPMs. That was just third gear, you know, with the little lug on there. Alright, we're doing second 45. Yeah, definitely has a lot more power, that's for sure. I think it'll probably even take a little bit more ethanol too. It's just got E30 in there, and we probably still had maybe a gallon or two, probably 2 or 3 gallons of 91 octane. So, but yeah, it runs a lot better, a lot better. Very impressed with the JB4 setup. Super easy, simple to install. You don't have to worry about blowing anything up as long as you don't get too carried away with it. You can just drive the car every day, drives like stock, and makes for a perfect daily driver tuner in my opinion.